All right, we've got about 8 minutes, and we'll figure out who the winner is. What we'll do is at the market close, where my chart stops, the number that it holds here, that's the number we're going to take. So that's in a couple minutes. Guaranteed to have winners, guaranteed. And I want to talk about the next contest will be on the 7th of November, and the cutoff date will be the 3rd of November. So anyone that wants to register for that, you have to have your registration in by noon on the 3rd, and we'll do it by the 7th. A few things have changed, and I'm actually going to do it today. If somebody was to nail the price, what did I say? $250 gift certificate. Today, they're all going to be Amazon. I asked several people in the room, and a lot of people came back with just a simple Visa card. You could use it anywhere you want. And that's a great idea. So next week, or on the 7th, I'll be looking at the Visa card. We may or may not change the regular winners, somebody close. But if you nail the price, you will receive $250 Visa card. I assume I can get one. So that's on hold until I can see that I can actually order it and make that happen, okay? So very excited. We do have some people close. We do that. Yes, we do. Nail it to the penny. So, nail it to the penny. See, the problem, if we don't do that, there could be people, well, you know what? We could give it a 2-cent maybe leeway. If you're within 2 cents. Does that sound fair, Chip? Anyone want to chime in on that? A 2-cent leeway? Nail it to the penny, Carol says. Man, oh man. You better hope Carol's not on your jury. 5 cents within a nickel. Closest to the penny. Yeah, okay. To the penny. Make it $500. All right. Hey, Yeah. To the penny, $2,500. I'll tell you what. Let me contemplate some of that, okay? Let me think about that. In the meantime, I want to talk about the market a little bit here. So it looks like yesterday, a nice little doji coming off the 500 period moving average. We've come up today, and we seem to be holding that. We are still below the T-line, and the T-line is still below the trend indicator, so the sellers still have control, in my book, based on the daily chart. If you look at the hourly chart, that's kind of changing. You can see that the trend indicator has now turned green. I don't think it's green enough yet, but a nice little price action chart pattern. We have turned green, so that's a plus. That's a big plus. Right now, I think if we were, the problem is we run into one problem right after another problem. So if we were able, I think if we're able to move over 425.15-ish, we're probably going to get a ride to 426.85, 89. That would be my guess. We'll get that ride. And if we can get this ride, you might get a ride right up to the 50 here. Very possible. This is the hourly chart, okay? So we'll keep an eye on that. This morning we went over IYT, the transports. There was nothing bullish there. There is nothing bullish at the end of the day either. SMH, we went over that. There's nothing really bullish about this. And at the end of today, there's nothing really bullish about this. Having a bullish candle does not make for a bullish chart. XLI, the transports, there is not one thing bullish about this chart. You see my theme going here? We're just not getting a lot of energy, a lot of conviction moving up just yet. If we look at FNGU, We're back in the wedge. I think that's good. You've got a bullish piercing candle, so I'm going to give this a little bit more enthusiasm, a little bit more bullish enthusiasm, because we have a bullish piercing candle with follow through. All right, cool. So now we might be able to run up to that trend line. We're going to need to break out to prove it that we can be bullish, but we're on a good start here. We are on a good start here. What else do we have? Let's look at the T2123. That is still in bearish mode. Nothing bullish about it at all. Bottom line, trade at your risk, man. What do you have as an advantage? That's the question you've got to ask yourself. Right now, I see no real big advantage of being overly long. That doesn't mean that we didn't buy anything today. We bought Roblex. I do plan to keep that overnight. We bought 10 contracts on it. It's up 12.3% or $750 right now. And I think it still moves up a little bit more. I'm going to put a line about right here, about right here. Oh, about right there. Yeah. Now we'll move that up a little bit more. We'll move it up here. So right now, I might be looking for 3660 as a target. The problem is the dotted deuce right here, that red dotted line, is a well-known deterrent, price deterrent tool. So we could pop up and price could think it's not good and price could come back. Or we could just sit here and price could try to figure out a way to get through it, sideways move for the next leg up there a little higher. So anyway, I'm going to hold that. Looking pretty good. Thanks, Phil. You're right. Microsoft, Google, Visa reporting tonight. So thank you very much, Phil. I forgot all about that. Earnings are important. Be a little careful. Earnings are important. What else do we have? For anyone that's a guest in the room, we still have a trial for $24.50, I think it is. Let's see if we can find a winner for that contest. And I do absolutely want to say thank you to everybody. And remember that we are having another contest coming up. Just a second, can't do this and talk at the same time. 423.62, that's what we're going to call it right there. And here is the list. Here is the list. At this point, well, you know, maybe you guys don't want your names or emails out there. So we'll do it like this. Okay, maybe I can do that. So let's go see who the winner is. There it is. So 423.62. Don't go away. If you didn't get it, don't be discouraged yet. I'm not finished. 423. Oh, let's see. 423.62. There's a winner. Let's see. Can I do this? Let me see if I can. 423. Oh, yes, I can do that. I can do that. Okay. So there's a winner. Somebody by the name of Dave. Your email starts with CPT. I will send you a link with your gift card. Now, who else? I'm going to go up and down. Nathan, that's you? Nice, Dave. Congratulations. So right here, a guy named Nathan. And we're going to go right here. Kevin. We're going to go two more. All right, there we go. How's that? Somebody's got to win, so why can't 5 people win? Dave, you're the closest. Congratulations. Thank you very much. Dave, Nathan, Mike. I know who Mike is. Mike is a winner. Kevin and John. Congratulations, everybody. You got it right. You got the 4 right. Yeah, congratulations, everybody. And thank you so much for playing this. Man, thank you so much. We've got your email address. Oh, hold it. I have to scratch somebody. Doggone it. This one right here, I have to scratch this person. And that's because that's John from BYOB. John can't win. So we're going to take this one. And that would be, I'm not going to pronounce this right. Shahari. Your email starts with SBN. SBN. Okay? So emails start with SBN, John, NIVEK, CPT, NPB, and this. All right? What's that? The 23 is closer? Oh, that one's the closest one? All right. Well, here. Maybe I should have somebody do the math there. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. So that's who's getting gift cards. How's that? Now, I need to figure out. Hold on. Let me mark this so this doesn't go away. Hold on, I can't do this and talk at the same time. Okay. We're good to go. There we go. Congratulations to everybody. There's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8. There's going to be 8 winners is what there's going to be. All right, cool. Who's going to play next time? Anybody? Next time, I think we'll be using a Visa card. Next time, if somebody gets it nailed, so work hard at it, there'll be a $250 gift card if you nail it. All right. So remember, November 7th will be the next drawing date. The 3rd will be the cutoff. Let me post here. I don't know if I'm going to get it posted tonight, just because I've got a lot of stuff to do because of the webinar tonight. For anybody that would like to join us, please join us in the free trading room. And at webinar, we're going to be talking about the pinball setup pretty thorough on the pinball setup. And so that's 8 p.m. Eastern in the free room. Anyway, I just put up here on the chart, you should be able to see it, where our social media addresses, if there's one that you tend to follow, appreciate you following it, and that's where we will be putting the contest sign up for the next time. Okay, So with that, I'm going to say thank you to everybody. I appreciate you being here. I really do. And I look forward to this again. And we're going to make it better and better as it goes. This was our first time doing it like this. So I think it's already improved. And I'm excited. So we'll see everybody tomorrow or tonight. Okay. You guys take care. Have a great, great, great evening. Thank you for being here.